I'm Staff Sergeant Joshua Champlin. I'm currently on permissive TDY for transitioning from the Army. I've served 12 years and I have 5 deployments. I was looking into some other automotive programs whenever a buddy mentioned PDR. I didn't know what PDR was, so I Googled it, and the first thing that popped up was the Dane King Training Institute. I saw on their website that their training was GI Bill approved, and so I contacted admissions, asked a few questions, and then signed up for training. The Institute far exceeded my expectations. They really do give you everything you need to be successful. The entire staff from the top down is amazing. They're all very polite, very helpful, and they're here for your success. I was looking into some 9 times out of 100, things aren't what they seem, everything gets exaggerated. This place is the 1%. This is the hidden gem of the automotive industry. I'm very excited for the training I've received, and I can't wait to get out there and start working.